Hello students, welcome back to our video. So in the last video we completed with the how to post from the subsidiary books, simple subsidiary books. So now we are going to discuss how to post from the columnar subsidiary books. Okay, posting of columnar subsidiary books. Traders having large scale business, many keeps their subsidiary books with different columns as per their requirements. Columnar subsidiary books are of two types. First one is as per the different types of goods and second one is as per the different expenses added in the cost price of the goods or in an invoice. We have studied this in a detail in chapter number 5. We have studied the meaning of columnar subsidiary books and we also discussed there are two types of columnar subsidiary books. First one is as per the different types of goods and the second one is as per the different expenses added in the cost price of the goods or in the or in an invoice. Okay, and we also learn how to prepare the columnar subsidiary books. Now in this chapter we are going to discuss how to post. Once we have prepared the columnar subsidiary books, then how to post that various entries into the ledger posting. We are going to learn that today. Okay, so let's start with the first type of columnar subsidiary books, that is as per the different types of goods. Okay, so here one illustration 5 is given. Let's do that. Question says, from the following transactions of Amir Garments, prepare a columnar sales book and post them in the respective accounts in the ledger. So you have to do or prepare the columnar sales book and then post them in the respective ledger accounts. Okay, so first of all, prepare the columnar sales book. So here is given format for the date, customer's name, then outward invoice number, LF number, then amount. There are three types of goods involved. Okay, first one is cotton pant, jeans pant and the terry cotton pant, and last column would be the amount. Okay, so let's start with the question. So first transaction is given. First transaction says that sold 50 cotton pants at 300 each and 30 jean pants at 400 each to Farhin Garments, and outward invoice number is 121. Okay, so here our customer is Farhin Garments. This and the business sold 50 cotton pads at rupees 300 each, then 30 jeans pants at rupees 400 each. Okay, so first of all write the date. Date is not given, but you have to write the serial number. So we have to write the 1 in date column. Then our customer is Farhin Garments. These are sold to Farhin Garments. That's why you have to write Farhin Garments account. Then outward invoice number is also given, that is 121. Then cotton pants was sold and the jeans pants were sold. So first column you have to write how many cotton pants? Yes, 50 cotton pants were sold at rupees 300 each. So you have to multiply 300 into 50. So the total would become the 15,000. So that 15,000 you have to write it in the column of cotton pants. Then another product, jeans pants was also sold. So 30 jeans pants at rupees 400 each. So multiply 400 into 30. You will get 12,000. That amount would be written in the jeans pants column. And terry cotton pants were not sold, therefore you have to put the dash. At last you have to total both the amount. 15,000 plus 12,000 would become 27,000. That amount would be written in the total amount column. Got it? Okay. Second is sold 40 jeans pants at 400 each and 30 terry cotton pants at rupees 250 each to Janvi Fashion, and outward invoice number is 122. So write the date second. Then our customer is Janvi. The pants are sold to Janvi. Therefore, you have to write the Janvi's fashions account. Outward invoice number would be 122, which is already given in the question. Then, in this transaction, cotton pants are not sold. But yes, jeans pants and terry cotton pants are sold. So, how many jeans pants are sold? So, it is given in question that 40 jeans pants at rupees 400 each. Okay, so multiply 400 into 40, that would become 16,000. That amount would be shown in the jeans pants column. Okay, and the 30 terry cotton pants at rupees 250 each. So, terry cotton pants were also sold. 30 terry cotton pants at 250 each. So, multiply 250 into 30, that would become 7,500. Okay, at the end you have to total both the amount. 16,000 plus 7,500 would become 23,500. Got it? Okay, and the last one is sold 30 cotton pants at rupees 300 each, 50 jeans pants at rupees 400 each, and 20 terry cotton pants at rupees 250 each to Pranav Ready-Made. Outward invoice number 123. So, third, write the third. Then here our customer is Pranav Ready-Made. So, write Pranav Ready-Made account in customer's name column. Then outward is also given 123. So, cotton pants, 30 cotton pants at rupees 300 each. So, multiply 30 into 300, that would become 9,000 will be written in the cotton pants column. Then, 50 jeans pants at rupees 400 each. So, multiply 400 into 50, that would become 20,000. So, 20,000 will be shown in the jeans pants account, and 20 terry cotton pants at rupees 250 each. So, multiply 20 into 250, that would become 5,000. So, 5,000 would be shown in the terry cotton pants. Okay, and at last you have to total all the three amounts. 9,000 plus 20,000 plus 5,000 would become 34,000. Okay, that would be written in the total amount column. Now we have passed all the entries into the columnar sales book. At the end you have to total all the columns. Make the total of all the columns. Write total credit sales and total all the columns. Cotton pants column, jeans pants column, terry cotton pants, and the total amount column. Okay, so now we are done with the preparing the columnar sales book of Amir Garments. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to pass these three entries into the ledger accounts. Okay, so now we are going to stop here. In the next video, we would be discussing how to post them into the ledger accounts, various ledger accounts. So if you have any questions or any doubts, please feel free to comment below the video. Thank you.